Hello everybody, so I have a new parcel today from Lazada. So we're gonna unbox this one and unbox with me. After this one, we're gonna try on. This is just a very short video, guys. And then there we are. Lucky! So how lucky I am. Charot. So my god. One by one. So finally I have the red one. Oh my gosh, this is 1,500 from Lazada. So in dollars is 40, 50. This is about $40. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I have black, this one, but the black is already damaged. So now the red one, and it's very nice. It's quite different a little bit, but it's good. So okay, I'm gonna walk with this. I'm gonna show you guys. So here we are. So we're going to unbox this one and try on. So that's all for today, and see you again next vlog. Bye everyone, love you all.